Alright, so in this version, this is the board that we're using. This is the Frankenstein Skull Controller from Haunted Hackers. This is for 3-axis. I believe this kit is no longer available, but I could be wrong. But if you go to Haunted Hackers, I believe they have some other options for the controller boards. This kit actually came disassembled. You had to buy all the components, solder them on yourself. So before you buy any of these kits, find out if it comes assembled or you have to assemble it yourself. Because if you don't have the skill set to assemble it, then you're basically going to be stuck with a kit you can't use, or you're going to have the joy of learning how to solder. This is a pickaxe kit. This is the MP3 controller that goes over here. These pins here are where you connect your jaw and your servos and your LEDs. This works with an SD card that needs to be programmed in a specific sequence. Really means you need to copy the files onto this SD card because of the way this board works in a specific sequence for it to work properly. And you have your main power and your power for your servos, which are separate from each other. So that's it. This is all that was needed to get that initial video portion that you saw at the beginning of this video. I actually recorded myself saying Evil Hub, ha 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 ha, on Audacity, and then saved the file, named it per the specifications that are required for this on the first folder, and it spoke what I said. The actual kit online comes with some speech that this has that you can use for demoing or trying it out, and there are instructions that come with the kit on how to program it. But again, this is this kit. Other kits obviously are going to be different and might actually be easier. I don't know, since this is the first kit that I've ever worked with. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video or the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Evil Hub on YouTube. Happy hunting. Just one more note, if you happen to get a hold of one of these or have one of these and you haven't assembled it yet, this has a marker here that says pin 1, and on the board here you will see a 1. I'm not sure if you can really see it there, but basically pin 1 and pin 1 is to line up, and you basically just put this into position. Just be careful not to bend any of the pins, and your SD card goes in here, and that's all.
Welcome to Evil Hub.